As a teacher in North America, we always know the students, they don't like to learn another way of doing things. So it's like this. You want to just know it one way and you don't want to know it another way. But let me show you another way of how to add fractions. So if we're adding fractions, I find the lowest common denominator. The lowest common denominator always go to the biggest number and see both numbers go into that number. Of course, it's 3 fractions now. So 3 goes into 6 but evenly, but 4 doesn't. So after that, you go for the multiple of 6. The next multiple of 6, that's the largest number, is 12. Now 3 and 4, both, they evenly go into 12. So therefore 12 is the lowest common denominator. Don't multiply all of these and make them your common denominator, because later, then you have to do a lot of reducing. But if you choose your lowest common denominator, then most likely you don't have to reduce at all. Okay, so here's the alternative way of doing fractions. Once I write my common denominator, I go 12 divided by 3, it gives me 4. That's what I have to multiply the top by. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then I have my plus sign. Now I go 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then that's what I have to multiply the 3 by. 3 by 3 is 9. And then I have a minus. Again, 12 divided by 6, I get 2. So that means that's what I have to multiply the top by, and that's giving me 10. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 minus 10 is 7. And that gives me 7 over 12. So instead of this, do this. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.